The fifth characteristic is scalability. Scalability is mainly concerned about how distributed system handles the growth as the number of users for the system increases. When the number of users in the network grows, the load that the resource manager or the server needs to handle will definitely increase. In order to provide better services to the users, scalability is one of the approaches that used to manage the load in the distributed system. We can scale the hardware and the software. One of the approach for hardware scalability is to add more computers in the network. When we add more computers into the network, the component that we build for the distributed system should not change. Since the number of computers added to the network should not change the component, therefore we should design our software to support scalability.